Hi class. Okay, so today we're going to learn about photosynthesis and plants. So, as we click through the slides, the first thing I want you guys to do is to answer this question. What are the key components for a plant to perform photosynthesis? Would it be A, dirt and flowers, B, light energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide, C, neighbors picking the plant, or D, fertilized water and nutrients? Awesome. Okay, so Adam looks like he picked B, which is the correct answer. And the key components to perform photosynthesis is B. So 1 second. And that is to have photosynthesis, you need to have photosynthesis happen in a plant, you need to have light, energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide. So the next slide is about video. So on each of your devices you can watch this short film. Today we're going to skip through it, but it talks about how photosynthesis happens and how we can watch it happen. So now I want you guys to draw a picture of the process of photosynthesis with plants. So we just talked about what you need, so I want you guys to draw it out. Alright, so we're waiting, and awesome. Okay, so we can see Adam's drawing. So he showed the sun, the light, the water, and the carbon dioxide to create photosynthesis. Awesome job, Adam. So what is the chemical equation for photosynthesis? This might be a little difficult, so let's try it out. Okay, so Adam said 6CHO2 6OCHO2. That is not the correct answer, but it's very close. Photosynthesis is it's a very hard equation. The equation for photosynthesis is, 1 second. The equation is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. See, the teacher doesn't even always know these things. But the basic equation is 6CO2, so carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, plus water, 6H2O, and then to organic matter, which is C6H12O6 plus 6O2, which is oxygen. So we can see in these mountains all these different plants. Wouldn't that be so cool to go on a field trip? It would just be so cool to see all those things and to look how the photosynthesis in these plants are working. So I thought that would be cool. Alright, so my next question is, do you want to further study plants? So let's see what Adam says. Awesome. Okay, so our next class will be about more studying plants and photosynthesis and how it all works. Thanks so much for coming.